Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You're signed into Messenger, and Google Translate is installed or enabled. Open the conversation, then select the message to translate. Tap and hold on mobile or right-click on desktop to reveal options. This gives you the exact text to pass to translate. Once done, copy the message or choose Share right arrow Google Translate if available, because that direct handoff saves time and preserves punctuation and context. You now move to execution. Paste the copied message into Google Translate or use Share to translate to avoid manual copying. Choose Auto Detect for unknown languages, but set the source explicitly if you know it, because accuracy improves. Select your target language, then read the translation or tap the speaker icon to hear pronunciation. Make sure to review idioms and names. Literal translations can mislead, so edit the output before sending your response back in Messenger. Finish by copying the translated text into Messenger and send it with any clarifying context. This avoids confusion. If the translation fails, try smaller message chunks or set the source language manually. Sometimes long or mixed language messages break auto-detect. Also make sure Google Translate has necessary permissions and your network is stable. If problems persist, restart the app or toggle the extension off and back on. That often resolves permission or caching glitches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.